Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is May the 10th, 2018, and one of my bottle gourd seeds is starting to germinate here. You can see it right there. And I have another one germinating over in this other container over here. I don't think I can pick it up on the camera. So they are coming up for me. Now, one thing you do want to do is you want to keep checking on these for water, because even though they're in these enclosed containers, they can still dry out on us, and two things will happen. Either one, it'll slow down the germination of the seed, or two, if the seed already started germinating, the seed will actually die. The seedling will die because it doesn't have the water that it needs. So we definitely want to make sure that we keep these nice and moist. I actually have to water this one over here. And so I just wanted to show you that. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.